Summertime, of course, means barbecues and grilling, sides of chips and beans and potato salad and coleslaw. But if you're trying to eat a little healthier and lighter, certified health and fitness expert Dara Supergirl Fischetti, you like that, is back with some delicious options for that outdoor barbecue. Nice to have you back.
Nice to be back. It's great. Yeah.
And you know, we always do, have a lot of the heavy sides, heavier sides when we're dealing with the barbecue. But you've got a great idea.
Right. Yeah, if you're trying to watch your summer swimsuit figure, you're going to want something that's a little bit more friendly for that. And this is a great recipe because it's keto friendly. And I'm going to get to that in a moment. But first,
you know, my sister and brother-in-law are on the ketogenic diet, and I'm
very popular.
Learning a lot from it, and they're actually doing very, very well on it. So I'm curious to hear your take on it.
Let me jump right in then, because keto means you're eating healthier fats and you're eating super low carbohydrates. So, and this recipe is keto friendly, so it's high in healthy fats, super low in carbs, no added sugar at all. So it's keto friendly. It's also paleo, gluten-free, suitable for vegetarians, and it's just super healthy and delicious.
Okay, well, let's get to it.
Okay, so we're going to begin. This recipe calls for 6 eggs. And eggs are extremely nutritious as well. They have pretty much a little bit of every nutrient our body needs. So in choosing the eggs, choose pasture-raised eggs, because the healthier the chicken, the healthier the egg.
Not pasteurized, pasture-raised.
Yes, that means the chickens got to run around outside and they ate a more natural diet in addition to the chicken feed.
No hormones, antibiotics.
No hormones, no antibiotics. Yeah, those are the healthiest eggs.
So we're hard-boiling the eggs,
Hard-boiled, 12 to 13 minutes. And then I take them out of the hot water and put them in a bowl of ice water just to let them cool down quickly. It helps with the peeling process.
Sure, that's always a pain. I can never peel an egg when it's
well, the trick is you kind of pat them and then you roll them and that kind of gets the peel going.
I like this. Okay, so we got our egg yolks. We separate the yolks out of the egg whites.
And we put our 6 egg yolks. Now, with the whites, you just set them aside. I kind of rinse them off in a little water to get all of
because you're going to be placing them in the plate. Okay, we have a minute left.
Okay, so you're going to do your egg yolks, your avocado, which again is nutrient dense. And you've got a whole avocado. It's a great recipe because no mayo, just avocado.
And that's
all those healthy fats are in there.
Those omega-3s and healthy fats. That's for
good for the brain.
Yep.
We got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so we're going to throw that in there. A 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and I like the white pepper variety. It's a little less bitter. And then we've got chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And
I
that
love
goes in
the
there.
flavor of cumin.
Me too. Me too. Cumin is just delicious. And then garlic. Now it calls for a 1/4 teaspoon, but I love garlic, so I may.
So we're gonna garlicize this thing, and we're gonna smash it up and mash it up. It ends up looking like here's the finished product, like this, and you place it carefully in the egg white. And oh my God, how beautiful it is. And not just for a side, Dara, but for like an appetizer.
Yeah, these are very chic right now. So you're going to find a lot of these great dishes and ways to display them. Oh, you like it.
That is so good.
Good.
We're going to put this recipe up on our website, daytimeonline.tv. Dara Fischetti, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Cindy, over to you.